Welcome back. Let's turn away from the studios where you have this mounting India-Pakistan war games played out. It's the people living in the border villages across the LOC who are really worried for their lives. They've lived under the shadow of conflict for years. Some of the villagers have even kept the mortar shells that have hit their homes as souvenirs. On a weekend where a 5-month-old and a 6-month-old on the Indian side of the LOC were killed, India Today's Pooja Shali gets you tonight's ground report from one such frontier village in Jammu's Arispura sector.
When home is no longer safe and everything around bears the scars of cross-border shelling, those living in border villages struggle to survive each day. Holding on to these metal remnants of war as souvenirs.
I'm at Suchetgarh village. This is the India-Pakistan border. Every time there is firing or shelling, these are the shells. This is an exploded shell that fell on this house. You want to see the impact? Take a look at this. These are the splinters, the fragments of a mortar shell that hits civilian areas.
अगर दीवार को नहीं छोड़ता इसका आदमी तो कुछ भी नहीं है. क्या बोले हम जहाँ पे रहना तो बहुत मुश्किल है. रात को तो नींद तक नहीं आती है. इतना मुश्किल हो जाता है कि अभी जान निकली कि बाद में जान निकली. उस समय इतना डर रहता है.
As Pakistan continues to violate the ceasefire along the border and the drumbeats of war resound in both nations, these villagers are left with no choice but to live the uncertain fate that comes with cross-border firing.
माता जी बहुत बहादुर हैं आप लोग. जिस तरह से आप लोग रोज यहाँ रहते हैं, पर यहाँ तो आप मैं देख रही हूँ आप काम भी कैसे करते हो रसोई में?
रसोई में फिर दोबारा नवेलियां देखड़े फिर तरियोड़े नवे बर्तन नवा काम फिर की करना.
Unable to fight their destiny, all that they now demand from the government is to make underground bunkers, pinning their hopes on concrete structures.
हम चाहते हैं कि सरकार जितने भी गांव है ना, जितने भी गांव हैं उनमें गांव में ना जो ना अपने मोर्चे है ना मोर्चा बनाना चाहिए कि ताकि थोड़ा सा हमें जो ना सहूलत मिल जाएगी. अगर फायरिंग होगा थोड़ा आगे पीछे होंगे मोर्चे में थोड़ा जाएंगे तो थोड़ा बचाव हो जाएगा.
Remember, each time you refer to a word like war, the impact is here on civilian villages and civilian places. And remember, the Pakistani troops are not only targeting the forward posts, they are targeting these people and the shells that have now become what seems like souvenirs and toys to these villagers. Signing off from Suchetgarh village, India-Pakistan border with Nasir Aziz Khan, Pooja Shali for India Today.
And it's those villagers really who, according to me, are truly heroic because they stay because they have nowhere else to go. They stay in their villages and they are the real victims of this escalating conflict between India and Pakistan, even as our politicians play their war games. Our image of the day, amidst all the politics taking place between India and Pakistan, Indian and Pakistani students as the prestigious Oxford University coming together holding protests on their campus. Their message saying no to war. I wish they'd also say no to terror. No to terror, no to war. We've got to build a better India-Pakistan relationship. Thanks for watching. Good night. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.